Hello, I'm ETarte. I would like to play for you a rather unusual song that I learned when I was a little kid. Listen to the Mockingbird. Wikipedia says this song goes back to 1855. It relates the story of a singer dreaming of his sweetheart, now dead and buried, and a mockingbird whose song the couple once enjoyed, now singing over her grave. Yet the melody is moderately lively. This was one of the most popular ballads of the mid-19th century and sold more than 20 million copies of sheet music. It was popular during the American Civil War and was used as marching music. It was a favorite song of President Abraham Lincoln, who said of it, "It is as sincere as the laughter of a little girl at play." Here is my piano version of Listen to the Mockingbird. Thank you for watching and listening.